Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Today, I am tremendously excited to share with you all our upstairs hallway makeover. When we saw this house for the first time, we knew we wanted to create something special with this hallway. My husband had the vision of taking these cabinets out to make the hallway space bigger. We knew we wanted to put some sort of accent style on this wall. We were in love with how our formal dining room wall had turned out, and we definitely knew then that this hallway also needed that bright lift it will obtain from the mirrors to create the effect of a bigger and brighter room. And for the cabinets we took out, we are saving that for a future laundry room makeover. My husband also ripped out all the carpet throughout the whole upstairs and he installed all the wood floorings. He also installed crown moldings and baseboards. I am so happy to be able to take this hallway makeover out of our to-do list, and I'm truly grateful for my husband's hard work and for doing such an amazing job with this makeover. Before we continue with this hallway makeover, I am also extremely excited for this video as it is a collaboration with my friends from YAHEETECH. YAHEETECH has reached out to me and sent me these cabinets that I am extremely impressed with. I love how modern and chic this cabinet is. As you can see, it came very well packaged and secured. This cabinet is sturdy and is waterproof surface painted that can withstand the humidity and prevent moisture. It is designed for humid occasions and is perfect storage for kitchen, bathrooms, closets, office, you name it. It is space-saving with 4 drawers, 1 cupboard with a customizable shelf for you to organize different items like cosmetics, toiletries, towels, socks, pens, and papers, and books. A great option for organizing and tucking away everything you need out of clutter. The shelves is also adjustable. The upper cupboard shelf can be easily adjusted up or down for a cabinet space customizable to your needs. It also comes with a feature that you can attach and hook the cabinet to the wall to avoid the cabinet from tipping over and wobbling to keep the little one safe. It only took my husband 30 minutes to install this cabinet. I love how everything is labeled for each pieces, making it so much easier to install and put together. This cabinet is currently on sale and their website has a $10 off on all orders and has a 2-day free shipping. I will provide YAHEETECH's links below if you would also love to get one for yourself.